Hi guys, welcome back to this channel once again. On today's video, I'll be taking you guys to Ugbenu town, and this Ugbenu town happens to be in Awka North local government area of Anambra State. Okay, you can see the newly constructed road that leads from this town up till Ofemili in the same Awka North local government area of Anambra State. And you can see that this road spans all the way from Amansi town. If you have watched one of our other videos, we showed you the road that was newly constructed at Amansi town. So this particular road spans all the way from Amansi town through this Ugbenu town and going down to Ofemili, all in Awka North local government area of Anambra State. You see, apart from the newly constructed road in this town that makes it easy for goods and services to be transported out of this town to various parts of Anambra State, I also want you to understand that there is a vast land in this town. Yes, this town has a vast land, like they have a vast land area in this town that has not been put in use. So why I'm saying this is so that you guys will see investment opportunity in this town. This town is actually a virgin land. There has not been much investment from our people in this town, and I believe that this is an opportunity for our people to come in and invest in this town. Okay, yes, you really have to put this into consideration, because this town is very close to the capital city of Awka. It's just because of this newly constructed road in this town. From this town to Awka is just about 10 to 15 minutes ride. So you can see the closeness to Awka right now. Just 15 minutes drive, you are in this town, and the roads are very, very good. We will keep driving and you would see the massive land area that is in this town that have not been tampered with. Like a massive, this town has a massive land area, and I'm calling on our people to please invest in this town. If you have a foresight, you should know that this town is an investment opportunity. Yes, this town is a town that will grow massively in few years time. Yes, a lot of investment will come into this town in few years time. And if you really want to invest, I believe investing in this town would be the right one, or a profitable one, to say so. And I've even seen some estates already coming into this town. Like there's one estate I saw around the road, it's Flourish something garden estate, and that should tell you that those who have foresight have already started moving into this location. You can see the vast land in this area. Factories can be built in these areas. Companies can be built here. You mustn't build your factory in Awka town, where the lands are very expensive. Someone can easily come to this town and build a factory. You can get the lands that are still affordable. Yes, the lands in this area are still very affordable. You can get these lands, erect a factory in these locations. Moving your products from this location to the nearest town is not a problem. You can see that the roads are intact. This administration has really focused on road infrastructure, and it is really developing various interlands in Anambra State. There are massive land areas here that needs to be be used. Okay, and I'm soliciting on our people, both those within the country and those outside the country. If you are looking for a location to build a factory, let's not focus on hotels. We need factories in Anambra State. This is the time that we need factories in this state. Looking at the situation as in the way this country is right now, and the situation this country is in right now, what we need now is factories. We need to start producing something. Those things you produce in other states or in outside the country, those ideas you have, this is the time to start bringing them back home. This is the best time we need to start producing something in our land to make our land prosperous and progressive. Enough of the hotels, enough of the clubs. We need the right investment in Anambra State right now. And you can see that these lands are just here wasting. The lands here are wasting. The road is there for you. Now what we need now is investment. Let the right investment come to be. Let the right investment come in place. We can do this. Our people can do this. I'm urging our people to please start thinking of investing in these locations. It is very, very close to Awka. 5 minutes drive to 10 minutes drive, 15 minutes drive to Awka. It is very, very close. And the roads are very, very good. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you have not done so already. Comment, share, and like this post. I would like to hear your ideas. I would like to hear your advice. I would like to hear your comments on the comment section. If you have anything to say or anything to add to this post, please do that on the comment section. It is very important that we make this post interactive and let our people know that we need to do more in our land. Thank you and remain blessed. See you on our next epic video coming your way.